So I just thought I'd interject here and preface this video with the fact that although we did check this engine over, you know, when we first went and looked at it, there's only so much you can look at. And so, you know, we boroscoped it, things like that. But at the end of the day, we don't know if the bearings are okay. You know, was it actually rebuilt, or do the cylinder walls just look really nice? And so we really were taking quite a gamble on this. And obviously, Anders is an amazing guy, but you know, he isn't a mechanic at the end of the day. And this is a 3-owner story by this point. You know, it was rebuilt not by Anders, not by the previous person, but the person before that. And so, you know, this is quite a gamble. It could make this the shortest restoration video ever. And that is because, you know, these engines are so impossibly expensive. They're so well built, you know, they're so intricate that they're really, really expensive to rebuild even. And that would be assuming it could be rebuilt. If, you know, if it was damaged, you know, we'd have massive problems. We wouldn't be able to afford that kind of thing. Right, so another day, another very, very cold day, by the way. But we're back and we've got a massive battery now, which should crank this engine over. And what we've done is we've bypassed all this really old rubbish wiring that has loads of connection problems and things like that. And so we're going to we've connected it all right up to the engine on clean posts. And we're running the fuel pump obviously still back here, but we've got everything else connected up front, which should be perfectly fine and may even get it to start if it sprays enough fuel. So that'd be good. So yeah, if you come around here, you can see what we've done is keeping the battery charged at the moment because it's so cold in here. But as you can see, we've got fuel pump and ignition on here. Ignition and fuel pump are both switched, so we don't have to worry about that. We can turn the engine back off. We've got the positive running straight to the starter, which obviously is where it's meant to be. And we've got ground running straight over to the engine. And then we've got this clamp here as a body ground. So that should all be pretty darn good. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Take 5, I think. Okay, I'll go and put the fuel pump on. I'll turn the ignition on. Alright, so I'll turn the ignition on down here. You can see. There's plenty. To get it running, we'll see. Should be okay.
Shall I start?
Yep.
Okay, it's running.
There you go, I can see fuel going in. Right, ready?
Yeah.
No luck. Maybe it's some special thread anyway.
What is it? 14.
13.
13. We've decided the fuel injection isn't working.
Yeah, the fuel injection isn't working, so we're going to have to take it apart and, you know, kind of make sure it's all, the injectors and everything is firing. But at the moment, just to see if it'll run, I'm going to just put a bit of fuel down the yak.
Have we got, where's the key?
Oh, that's way too much. Perfect.
Blow it up before we even start.
Yeah. Right. With any luck, we'll get it going.
Well, it'd be nice to get it going, because then we know.
Let's have a go. Wish us luck. Ignition on.
Are we running?
I don't know.
Yep.
Okay, ready? Contact. Ready?
Yeah.
We've done it. The engine works.
Smashing.
Oh, bloody hell, yeah. Oh, brilliant.
That is amazing.
Nice. Jesus
So
Christ.
it needed that battery.
Yeah, needed that battery. The throttle blades are a bit stuck open. But anyway,
Anyway,
it ran.
It certainly did run.
Oh wow.
And it sounded okay.
It sounded great. It sounds incredible. Yeah. Bloody hell.
Right. I think you can have lunch.
Yeah, I'd say so. That thing sounds incredible. It didn't even miss fire.
That was brilliant.
Oh man.